Hey yo, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you found this YouTube channel. Right in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can claim a free $2,500 free funded account for you to start trading your Forex account in 2026. As you can see, this is it right here on the screen, a free $2,500 challenge account. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can get it and the terms and conditions you have to comply with in order for you to be able to withdraw their profit. But before we start, there are things I want you to note down. The first thing is that you must watch this video to the very end, because to get this free funded account is not going to be easy at all, and that is why I am making this video for you guys. And the second one is that if you are going to miss out on any part of this video, don't let it be the terms and conditions you have to comply with in order for you to withdraw from this particular account. Now, I dropped something like this in my Telegram channel yesterday for my Telegram community, for my Telegram people, and it's not exactly the same. The one I dropped yesterday was about, I think, 10k or 5k profile account, but this one is a free 2.5k dollars free funded Forex account. Okay, so now without wasting too much of our time, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. What this YouTube channel is about generally is that will give people free capital for them to start trading, and also for people who are interested in making money online in 2026 but they don't want to deposit into the platform or the source that they will be using to get their money, to make more money. We give them money making update. All right, so now that you are done subscribing, the first thing you have to do after that is for you to click on the link in the description of this video or the link in the comment section. It will be pinned there for you. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to an interface. You'll be taken to my Telegram channel at first, but once you get to my Telegram channel, you will see the link to come to this interface right here on the screen. And once you've gotten to an interface like this, these are the things you are supposed to do. The first thing, click on start survey. Click on start survey. Okay, so once you've clicked on it, hold on a bit and you'll be taken to an interface like this where you have to start the survey. Now the survey is going to be very quick and very easy. I'm going to make it very easy for you guys to be able to go through. Now the next thing you have to do is to click on start survey. And mind you guys, immediately you see this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, and immediately you see this video, go ahead and claim it, because it is a limited offer that we end soon. Okay, so now once you've gotten to an interface like this, just enter the email you want to use and click on next. And once you've entered it, you'll be taken to the next step. So let's hold on, it is still checking. So now after some times, it will be done in a short period of time, and the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your full name. So I'm going to be entering my full name right now, and I want you to also do it on your side. So once you're done, just click on next. Make sure you do not skip any of these questions, because when you do, it will be very difficult for you to get this free 2.5k dollars challenge account. Now that I've entered my name, I'm going to click on next. So the next thing for you to do after clicking on next is for you to select the country you are from, and this 2.5k dollars challenge account is available for all countries. Okay, so I'll be selecting my country, which is Nigerian. So once you've got into an interface like this, as you can see, would you like to open a Phenotype contacting you to follow up feedback? So I'm gonna be going after yes. So click on next, and after that you'll be taken to an interface like this. How long have you been trading? So as for me, I've been trading for like over 5 years now, so I'm going to be selecting 5 years plus. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to click on next after that, and this is where you'll be taken to. You can just choose your main trading style. So I'll be going for mine, you also choose your own. So now to the next question, what instrument do you mainly trade? So select the one you mainly trade. Okay, select the one you mainly trade, and after that you'll be taken to the platform that you prefer most currently. So I prefer MT5, so I will be going for MT5. So after that you'll be taken to this next one, which is, do you currently trade with other pro firms? So yes. So after that just click on next. So as you can see, which other pro firm do you currently trade with or compare phenotype against. So I'll be typing my own. So there is we master trade, there is vprop, and more. So let me just enter. You can enter your own that you think can be sparring with this particular prop firm account, particular broker. Right, so I'm going to be entering mine. Also enter your own. Don't forget, do not skip this question. All right, so after that you'll be taken to an interface like this, and the question they are asking us right now is, how did you first hear about the phenotype platform, which is this platform? So my source of hearing it is, let me choose YouTube. You can choose any one of your choice. All right, so after that just click on next, and you'll be taken to somewhere like this. Have you ever purchased a phenotype account? So if yes, choose yes. If no, choose no. So I'm gonna go for no. Right, what was the main reason you did not purchase a phenotype account? So you can choose the price, you can choose any one of your choice. So the next thing is that you are going to be taken to this place. You can choose a first step challenge, or you can choose any one of your choice. All right, so I'll be going for this. So as you can see, what could phenotype change that would make you more likely to purchase? So you can just write in type price, or you can type in price. Okay, so after that, how easy was it to understand phenotype website before purchasing or considering a purchase? So you can choose me. I'm going to choose 5, and after that next. So how clear was the sign up process? So as for me, it was really great and fabulous because it's quite simple and straightforward. So I'm going to go for very clear. And next, so how much did you trust phenotype before making or considering your purchase? So I'm going to choose fully trusted. I'm going to give them orderent. So if what if anything made you hesitate before purchasing? So I'm going to go for the price. So click on next. What would have made you feel more confident before purchasing? Actually, there is nothing bad in skipping some of these questions, but I just want to make sure that we are not skipping the most important one. That is why I am guiding you through every single step, because you might just forfeit your chance of getting this account. I'm sorry for making this video very long. I don't want it to be long also, but I have no choice. All right, so just make sure that you go through all of the survey, answer the question wholeheartedly, and you are not going to miss out on answer the following question wholeheartedly and very sincere. Okay, and I promise you, you're not going to miss out on this free 2.5k challenge account. All right, so thank you guys for watching, but let me see if I can guide you to the end. All right, so let's just hold on. Let me check. Maybe I should keep on skipping, and if I see that there is a particular area where it is important for you not to miss out, I will just guide you through the step. Okay, so let's hold on. Let's keep on skipping for now. So according to them, there is no way we can skip this particular area, so let's just choose what we are to choose. All right, so now let's rate them very very unclear or very clear. So let's click on very clear, very clear, very clear, very clear, very clear, very clear, very clear. I'm just choosing mine. You have to choose wholeheartedly, right? So after that, let's click on next, and after this, which part of the account comparison were unclear? So you can just choose the profit target. You can choose the profit target. Would an account recommendation tool help you choose the right account? Yes, definitely. So what information should be added to the account comparison? You can just skip the question. Have you completed KYC with Phenotype? No. And click on how easy was the KYC process? You can just click on very easy and click on next. Did KYC affect your trust with Phonos? No, it increased it. So now just keep on going, keep on going. You can just skip most of them. You can just skip most of them. All right, so now I am done. Now I want you to know that it was a long journey coming to the end of this survey. It was a long journey, but it's gonna worth it. As you can see, my survey is now under review, and the free 2.5k dollars challenge is now here. I'm coming. Hold on. This is the free 2.5k challenge is now here, but now due to due to the survey being underview, I'm not going to be getting the free 2.5k dollars challenge account right now, but immediately they are done reviewing my survey, I will receive a message into my email. All right, I'm going to receive a message into my registered email, and it will contain the writings about this 2.5k challenge account. All right, so thank you guys for watching. If there is something you are not clear about and you want to know more about, just let me know in the comment section. You don't have to drop bad comments all the times. You can just appreciate, you can just choose to go on the good side and do the right things. I love you guys. I love you all. Thank you for watching this video.